Hey, garden lovers! Have you ever been excited to grow peppers, only to find them looking weak, yellow, or just plain unhappy? Imagine putting in all that work and getting only a few sad peppers frustrating, right? Today, we're diving into how to keep your pepper plants healthy and thriving, so they're loaded with delicious, vibrant peppers all season long. Start with strong soil. Let's start with something often overlooked: the soil. Healthy pepper plants begin with rich, well-draining soil. If your soil is too compact or low on nutrients, your peppers will struggle from the start. Add some compost or organic matter before you plant. Think of it like giving your peppers a healthy breakfast, a solid foundation that will keep them strong. Keep an eye on the sun. Peppers are sun-loving plants. They need at least 6 to 8 hours of full sunlight every day. Less than that, and they'll start looking leggy or the fruits may not fully ripen. So make sure they're getting plenty of direct sunlight. If you're growing in containers, move them around to catch the sun. Consistent watering, but no overwatering. Here's a biggie: watering. Peppers love consistent moisture, but they hate sitting in soggy soil. The trick is to keep the soil evenly moist without drowning the roots. Water deeply once or twice a week, and if you're in a hotter climate, you might need to water a bit more. And remember, water at the base, not over the leaves. Wet leaves can invite diseases. Feed your peppers regularly. Peppers are heavy feeders, so they need a steady supply of nutrients. When they start flowering, use a fertilizer high in phosphorus and potassium. This will help produce strong plants with plenty of fruit. Think of it as giving your peppers a snack packed with energy. Support and prune. Once your pepper plants start growing, you might need to give them some support. Staking or caging helps them hold up all those heavy peppers. Plus, it can prevent branches from breaking. And don't be afraid to prune a few leaves or branches that are crowding the plant. Airflow is key to keeping diseases away. Watch for pests and diseases. Peppers can sometimes attract unwanted guests like aphids or spider mites. Check under the leaves regularly for any tiny pests. And if you spot any, use a simple organic solution like insecticidal soap or neem oil. Prevention is key here. A little vigilance goes a long way. Harvest regularly for more peppers. Here's a tip for more peppers: harvest them regularly.
Picking peppers as they ripen encourages the plant to produce even more.
So, as soon as your peppers are the right size and color, snip them off and enjoy. It's like the plant's way of saying thank you for all that care. And there you have it. With these tips, you'll keep your pepper plants happy, healthy, and productive all season. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit the like button and let us know in the comments what's your favorite type of pepper to grow. And hey, if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a gardening tip. Happy gardening, and here's to a pepper harvest you can be proud of.